Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom go over someone's head, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The two meanings of this idiom are to find something confusing and to bypass someone to speak directly to their superior. When he had a complaint to make, he went directly to the head of human resources instead of his supervisor. I've come to you directly, going over the head of my supervisor, because I think you will deal with this situation accordingly. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. She is frustrated while studying. It never just sinks in. When I'm in class, everything just seems to go over my head. During the lecture, the tutor made sure to say, "Today's class is extremely important for your final grading mark. Please don't let any of what we touch on today go over your head." He isn't comfortable going to the sergeant of the police station, so he went to the superintendent. I thought it best to go over the sergeant's head and come straight to you as I feel the sergeant can't be trusted. Here are some further examples for professional situations. During her probation, she had been told to report everything to a colleague, but she wants to get some brownie points from the manager, so she reports her work directly. I'm sorry for going over Adrian's head, but I thought you might want to see how I'm getting on. They haven't been able to get past the issue, and the team lead couldn't help when asked. We're going to have to go over her head because she couldn't solve the issue. The manager cracks a joke in the team meeting. One of them is still thinking, "I still don't get it. As usual, it's gone way over my head." We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.